Welcome back to the official Meg VIP channel. Today, I'm going to walk you through how our VIP system works, why our strategy has been successful for more than 5 years, and how you can join the VIP to start following the same trading process we use every day. If you're new here, Meg VIP is one of the most consistent crypto futures trading services, and everything we share is backed by real results, real P&L, and a strict money management system that protects your capital while growing it steadily. Quick disclaimer, this video is for educational purposes only and not financial advice. All right, let's get into it. Here we are inside the official Meg VIP free group, and this is where we post daily results, live trades, market updates, and verified profit proofs. This free group is your starting point. You get to see how we trade, how we manage entries, how we secure profits, and how our strategy has worked since 2020, all without paying anything upfront. Why Meg VIP works. Meg VIP is not like random channels throwing out risky signals. We use a complete system built on smart money management, controlled leverage, structured entry averaging, back-tested strategy, real-time analysis, and 5+ years of verified consistency. This is why our members stay long-term. The results speak for themselves. VIP membership. When you join Meg VIP, you get premium futures signals, entry, stop loss, and multiple target levels, a full money management guide, a free basic crypto trading course, real-time updates and guidance, priority support through AdMegVep admin. You get everything you need to trade safely and consistently without confusion. How to get started. To begin, 1. Join the Meg VP free group. 2. Watch the results we post daily. 3. When you're ready, message @MEGVIPadmin to upgrade into VIP. That's all you need to do. Let's break down a Meg VIP trade inside Meg VIP. Each signal includes the pair, XBTC USDT, long or short, entry price range, multiple take profit targets, stop loss, suggested leverage. Now let's take one of our VIP trades and check it on TradingView. Simply search for the pair, for example BTC USDT, and open the chart. Then mark the entry range, place the stop loss, drag your take profit up to the final target. Watch how the move develops. Entry triggered, targets hit step by step. Trade flows exactly in line with our plan. You can take earlier profits or ride all the way to TP3, TP4. The choice is yours. What matters is that our structure keeps every trade safe and controlled. This is what Meg VIP teaches. Protect profit, reduce risk, grow slowly and consistently. Real results posted daily. Inside our free group, we share daily P&L proofs, closed target hits, weekly profit summaries, monthly growth tracker, real analysis with no hype. Everything is transparent. Everything is verifiable. Final words, that wraps up today's video. If you want to see our daily results, the link to the Meg free group is down below. Join and see how we trade in real time. And when you're ready to take the next step and join the VIP, message @MEGVIPadmin to get started. If you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button, drop a like, and turn on notifications so you never miss our updates.